This is April Story reporting from Pennsylvania. So tonight is day 8. I've lost count of the days. Day 9 of Quiltmas TV. And Fallon from So Be It Quilts will be presenting her ugly quilt. So far, we have seen Tracy of the Sewing Channel, Tiffany of Tiffany's Quilting Life, Icy Stars Quilting with Kristen, April Story from April's Craft Room, Sew Becca with Becca, Di from Sister Chicks Quilting, Ian of the Off Kilter Crafter, Chris from Sew the Distance, and tonight will be Fallon of So Be It Quilts. Fallon was the subject of my earlier report. She claims to have the ugliest quilt. Since we have yet to see an ugly quilt, we're hoping that this ends up being true. It turns out that the reports of Ian not favoring Christmas are true. Our secret reporters found this wreath on his front door. It is called the man-eating wreath, and this is what he displays for the Christmas holiday season. In the description below, we will include the link to the tutorial so that you too can have an Ian man-eating Christmas wreath. Rumor has it that Donna Jordan of Jordan Quilts, Jenny Doan of the Missouri Star Quilt Company, and Laura from So Very Easy have requested to be included in next year's Quiltmas. Please make sure that you join us tonight at 6:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Fallon's reveal of what she says is the ugliest Christmas quilt. This is April Story signing off for Quiltmas TV.
Coming with us, lady.